Hi everybody, it's Julie and I'm here and today we are going to use our flip up, flip down pockets, and we're going to put that in. We need to decorate it with at least 3 items, and I wanted to make sure that I pulled out some of, we have these that we were saving, and we have the cut apart pieces that we cut up, and we have those in here, and I want to make sure that we use those. So let's go ahead and find a spot. So remember, we're using at least one of each of our items. Okay, so this is a nice, that's a nice thick page. Okay, and this, yeah, I think we'll put it on this page here, and we will make it a pocket where something goes in it from that direction. The cool thing about these is we will lose no journaling space because we have added journaling space to the inside. Okay, so this was already down, and now to wait. Okay, I have just a couple minutes here. Thought I would try and get myself back into some crafting if I can. My my knee is, it's very painful. So okay, so there we go. That puts that in here. We have a flip up, flip down. We have a pocket here and a little pocket here. Main thing is we want to make sure that this stays down. And now we're going to go ahead and add some other things. Let's see. We have this that says awesome. Oh, and look, it's a triple fold out card. That can go right inside there. Perfect. And so here we have the antique show ticket and this that says lovely. I'm going to go ahead and cut the antique show ticket off. And put that down. Okay, remember we can only use items from our list. And this happens to be from our list, the cut aparts. Okay. I love that. I really, really do. Now I also have this piece of the fabric, and I'm thinking it might be kind of fun to do like a little tab down here. Out of one of the, we have a couple of fabrics that we've used. You know, what about the endless piece of fabric? There's some of that down here. Yeah, I think that that's going to be a better match for this page. Holy moly, this is a messy desk. Go ahead and pull that. Okay. We can come all the way across, or we can just put a little tab down here. Or along the side. Ooh, or at an angle. Ooh, I kind of like it at an angle. Okay. go. Yeah, I like it because I don't really want to lose that. Okay, and then we'll just go ahead and get this prepared for some fabric. Since we are using our fabric tack. Holy moly, I cannot believe it's already time to thicken the fabric tack. Okay, so there's that. And I mean, I really like this fabric too. What if we layer it up with a couple of pieces of fabric? Oh yeah, I like the layering a couple of pieces of fabric down here in this corner. Okay, and put it down. Yeah, I like that very, very much. Okay. And we have this. It says treasure everything. And I'm going to put that right down here. I love it. Okay. Okay, so we've added our at least three items to our base. And then let's go ahead and I'm going to get back into our large ephemera holder. Okay, so this is the large ephemera holder that we have. And right on the top, I have one of the tags that we have that is using the napkin. And I think that that is a good choice for over here. And possibly, let's see, these are from the cover. Yeah, like that. Okay, so we've added our three items. We've added this here. Now we can come in here and add a little something in here as well. Again, I love the way that that little fabric piece, just that little fabric label. I like the way that looked. So I'm going to come and put little fabric label right here. That just brings some of the color into the inside of our flip up, flip down. Okay, that goes there. This goes here. And we can go ahead and let's just put our other one right inside here. Okay, so we can write on the back there and it's fitting right in there, and look how nice that looks. Okay, so here's our flip up, flip down. Added our three items, our cut apart, some words and fabric. Added the tags and this little trifold here that we'll be able to write on. And so that is our flip up, flip down. And then I think what we could do is we can go ahead, we need a paper clip in here, and I have this one. Okay, so it is made to go in this direction with that piece in the back. Okay, so let's find it a good cardstock, possibly cardstock piece like here. Okay, so we're going to want to decorate that with 3 items. And here we have some words from one of the cut aparts. And we'll go ahead and we're going to add one of these. These are from the cover. Oh, you know what? This is supposed to be the double tuck page. Let's go ahead and put this down so that we don't forget. Okay, so this is just white envelope on white envelope. We're going to find you another page. But that's going to be let's try, how about this page? Okay, so you're going to hold this. Let's go ahead and I think we'll add some, oh, you know what? I have some of that really pretty lace that we've been using. Okay, so a little bit of that pretty lace. Some fabric. Okay, so there's a piece of fabric, piece of the lace, and I'm liking the word thankful. Okay, so I'm just going to come in here and grab that word. Remember, we have to use one of each of the elements, the base elements. So that's what I'm going through and doing these days, is adding in my elements. Come on, big bubble. There it goes. Okay, if we go under the big bubble, we might be able to get a head start here. Okay, so I'm going to put this fabric in, and I'm going to have it go a little bit over this edge and most of it over the edge that's going to hang off. Then I'm going to come in and I'm also going to add my fabric, or my, excuse me, my lace right on top. Okay, and then right up at the top, I'm going to go ahead and go across and add in thankful. Okay, so we used a cut apart fabric and lace, and we were able to finish off this little, it's a big big paper clip that will be able to hold that right there. I chose a cardstock piece because that will be easier to hold it. And then we have this piece of fabric here, and I think we'll just go ahead and have this hang off the edge of our paper clip, and that will give us some fun happening off the edge of our journal from that paper clip. Okay, there we go. Okay, so our beautiful paper clip, and we also added the beautiful flip up, flip down with all of its goodies right there. Oh, you know me. I'm going to go ahead and just really quick, let's add, okay, so I've gone ahead and made a little tab here. I'm really liking this fabric, and I'm going to go ahead and put this little tab on this tag just to give it some more character, and we will just staple that on because that is an easy way of taking care of that. Are you enjoying making your journal? I see several of you have finished. Also, I want to make an announcement really quick. Our VIP, I'm so sorry, it has again been postponed, but it will be next Wednesday, May 5th at 1 o'clock Pacific Standard Time. So if you finished your March journal, the early invites have gone out and I'm letting people into the group. And then the rest of you that finished, your invites will happen on Friday and you'll be able to go into the group. And then our VIP party will be on Wednesday, May 5th. And that's for everyone that finished their journals and posted them in March for the March Scrapbuster Junk Journal Challenge. Okay, and also Patreons, you will get your hint on the 27th, which is Wednesday of this week. So that is still on schedule. And so there we go. Isn't this so much fun? I'm enjoying this because of having the bases already made. So we did our paper clip and our flip up, flip down, and there you go. Find something to celebrate every day. Have an amazing day. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Bye-bye.